Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Stick Nodes project and locating the movie clip you want to change. Select that clip's node or layer so actions affect only it, not the whole scene. Once selected, unlock any locked layers and set your viewport to full frame to avoid color surprises. Now tap the clip to enter edit mode. This is where you'll apply color edits. Doing these initial steps ensures precision and prevents accidental changes to other parts of the animation. You'll now change the clip's color using the Fill tool and color picker. Pick a base color first. Then make selections or create masks on the clip's limbs or areas you want to isolate, so only targeted parts change. Once masked, adjust hue, saturation, and opacity sliders to fine-tune the look. Subtle shifts avoid banding, while stronger shifts make dramatic styles. If needed, duplicate the clip before heavy edits so you can compare before and after quickly. You're close. Scrub through frames to preview color consistency across motion and lighting changes. Make small corrections with frame-by-frame touch-ups or tweak masks where the color leaks. When satisfied, merge or flatten clipped layers if you need a single layer clip for export, but first save a backup in case you need iterations. Finally, export the movie clip with your chosen settings. If colors look off after export, open the backup. Check color profile and gamma settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.